a motherfucking diva.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Alexis Rebecca, and today we're doing a try-on haul. I'm super excited with Myoutfitonline. I already actually have a try-on haul with them on my channel. Love their stuff, love their loungewear. They have so much range, everything's stretchy, everything's stylish and cute. They sent me over their entire Jaguar collection. I'm super excited because no one has ever sent me like a whole collection. So I'm super excited to try on all the pieces. I want to rate them 1 to 10. What are the best pieces? How do they feel? How do they look on me? So stay tuned for that. I think we have about 10 pieces to try on. So we have a lot to choose from. There's bodysuits, there's dresses, there's leggings. There's something for everybody. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. So without further ado, I love Myoutfitonline. I love their clothes. I'm super excited to get these tried on. So let's get into it. Okay, so actually we can just stop here. Entire collection, 10 out of 10 based on this dress alone. But I knew I was gonna love it. As soon as I pulled out the packaging, I was like, I need to try that on first. That's right up my alley. It's super cute. I love how this fits. This is like their signature, one of their signature designs, like the crossbody, but like cleavage in the middle. I love, it's super sexy, but still like classy. It's like, it's not showing everything, but you get a little peek, you know what I'm saying? And this dress, I love the length as well. I am a girl who likes longer dresses, especially a dress that's past your knees. I'm gonna pan down and show you guys exactly how long this dress comes down to. This is definitely one of my favorite lengths. And the colder months are coming, so I can definitely see me wearing this with like a black pea coat, some heels, hair up, a nice lip, a nice bag. Date night approved, okay? I'm in love. Like, it looks so good on, it fits so wonderfully. This is the back of it. And I love that this area feels secure. There's some items that I try on and I'm like, ooh, I'm scared to move because my girls might fall out. This feels really secure. This dress this is it, okay? I absolutely love it. Love the way it fits. If everything is like this, we're off to a good start because 10 out of 10. Oh my God. Girl. Okay, so we've easily got another 10 out of 10. I knew it as soon as I slipped this dress on. It is super cute, so it's a little different than the other one. It's a little more modest in the front, but don't you worry, honey, because the back, woo! It's super cute. It's like a deep back and then a cross string here. Super, super cute. I absolutely love it. So, you know, it's still a classy dress and it seems that way from the front. When we turn around, it's like, okay, she put on something. From the side, super, super stretchy, just like all of the stuff in the collection. I'm gonna imagine it's gonna be perfect, stretchy. It has these little strings here. They're really skinny, but they're still very secure. They're holding me up very good. And they're also really stretchy. So I can see myself wearing this with like I said, with the last dress, like a long black coat, my hair back, some cute earrings, a cute little necklace, some fly heels. Girl, this is definitely date night approved. I love it, love, love, love it. And I also like the length on this one. It's the same as the other one. It comes like right above your ankle. So I'm just a fan of longer dresses but it's still easy to walk in. Like sometimes longer dresses that are like tighter, it's hard to walk in, but this one's super, super easy to walk in. Super cute. I cannot wait to wear this out. It snatches you. It's perfect, 10 out of 10. I love it. Let's see what else they have to offer. Honestly, not a jumpsuit I didn't think I needed because usually jumpsuits are hit or miss. Like they either fit super weird, dimensions are off, they just don't look good, or they look really good. And this one is one that fits like a glove and looks really, really actually good. I love it. I'm loving the print on this. Like, the print on everything is giving. Like I said, I was just really about the print at first, but I love how it looks. Like I said, this fits like a glove. It's this area here that usually gives me a hard time because it'll be like this. Like all jumpsuits usually fit like that on me, but not Myoutfitonline. I don't know what they do, but it fits like a glove, long sleeve. And then it comes up here. We have like a turtleneck thing going on, which is super cute because it's about to get cold. So I love that. And then the back has a zipper. You can't see it, it blends in, but there's a zipper that comes maybe mid-back and then 2 buttons here to tighten the neck area. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. I would only wear this with a pair of high boots, like some bomb black high boots. Good bag. This is definitely a staple piece to have in your closet. I am a fan, honey. I love it. Everything is super stretchy. Once again, if you're thick like me, this is a size medium. So, like I said, check the description box for all the sizes. But if you have big hips, big thighs, big booty, definitely, she fits like a glove. Like, comfortable. I'll be doing squats. I'm not gonna hold you. I give this a 10 out of 10 too, just because of the fit. It fits perfect, and it's so hard to get these right because so many companies have got them wrong. So they did the thing. Oh yes, honey, a bodysuit. A one sleeve bodysuit. I actually really like this. I do, I really do. It's super cute. I feel like this whole collection is just sexy. Like everything I put on, I'm just like, damn, that looks really good. This will look so good with a pair of like black jeans, a nice hat, like a fedora or something like sexy. You could dress this up. I don't know about dressing down. It's actually pretty dressy. I have some leggings that I'm gonna put on with this that I could actually wear together too. But ooh, she is cute. Let me show you guys the back of her. Everything fits really good. I love how this fits because sometimes companies will get this wrong too. Like it'll be super loose and you'll have to like keep pulling it up. No, honey, this fits so good. Like you just see how I can just move and it's not going nowhere. Like, and usually the girls with smaller boobies have problems with that. No, like if everything fits, like they took my measurements and was like, we about to send you some custom things because everything is fitting so good. One thing about me, I'm a fan of the one shoulder. Anything I have to sling over my shoulder and like show. I love showing, for some reason, this area, like these little bones to me are sexy. Like I don't know what it is, it's so weird, but I feel so feminine when I have like my chest area out. It doesn't even have to be cleavage, just chest, arm. I love it, I think it's so cute. Let me try on the leggings that go with this. And this is the full outfit together. When you throw the leggings on, definitely completes the look. So you can definitely wear this with just some plain jeans, or you can throw this on for like a real pop. Like you definitely gonna stand out in this two-piece, this bodysuit, and then these leggings. Super, I love let me just pause because all the leggings that I've ever got from them, I think I have about 4 pairs of leggings, like high-waisted. I love how they're high-waisted, first and foremost, but they fit so good. Like I haven't found a pair of leggings that fit as good as this. This has a really thick band. Let me show you guys. It has like a really thick band right here, comes all the way up. High-waisted, I'm pretty sure these are a size medium, pretty sure. And they just fit so good, super stretchy, but still like they suck you, not suck you in, but they give you a shape. And that's always what I look for in an item of clothing. Are you giving me shape or are you doing nothing for me? Like you have to know what looks good on your body. And these leggings always look so, so good and they fit so well. I feel like everything has been a 10 out of 10 so far. Like the leggings are bomb, the shirt is bomb, and it fits good. Like that's all I look for. Does it fit well? Then does it look good? Like am I gonna pop out and look like something, okay? Okay, so I threw on this crop top to go with the high-waisted leggings as well. And it's very cute, good quality, very stretchy. It's just from my personal preferences, it's not one of my favorites just because it's just not my favorite style. I'm not really much of a crop top one shoulder girl. I'm more of a bodysuit one shoulder girl. Don't ask me why. It's just my preference, but it's super cute. It definitely looks good with these high-waisted leggings. It gives you some sexy for sure. I just give it 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 because everything else is good other than just me not liking crop tops like this. But it'll definitely still get worn. It'll definitely still be in my closet, but it's not gonna be my #1 go-to like these other pieces have been thus far. But she's cute, she's cute. Let's see what else we have. We have another bodysuit and we absolutely love her. She's a simple, long sleeve, regular leotard look with this print on it. I absolutely love this one, okay? Just because I love a simple bodysuit look. Like I have so many basic black, like white, just long sleeve bodysuits. You have to have them in your closet. So this is my first simple bodysuit, but with a print on it. So it's simple, but it's not simple. This is definitely a look. It's like there's nothing not to like about this. Like, unless you just don't like bodysuits, there's really nothing not to like. It fits so good. Like, how many bodysuits can you have in your closet until you have too many bodysuits? Like, that's not a thing. We love a good simple bodysuit. I love this. 10 out of 10. So you guys seen this style earlier in just a longer length. This is the same style dress. Like I said, this is their signature. I absolutely love that. It's just shorter. Okay, I think you guys can see how short it is, which makes me so uncomfortable. I don't know what it is about a shorter dress that I just cannot get with. Although I love it, it's super stretchy. If you're into short dresses, you'll definitely absolutely love this. But I just hate pulling stuff down all day. I feel like I'll just be pulling it down all day, all night. I can't really party. And I just think that's just because how I'm shaped. I just have a big butt, I have big thighs. So short dresses and me just, and the thick girls can understand me. I know y'all can, because it's really a struggle. However, if you're into a shorter style, girl, you cannot go wrong with this. Like, let me give you guys, I feel like I should give you a different angle just because you can't see exactly how it fits. I'm about to show you guys. Okay, that's better. I feel like you guys can actually see the length a little bit better. Like I'm saying, it's very cute, it's very sexy. Like, this will definitely get some heads turning. Let me show you guys the back. It's just like the other one. And just, I'm putting my arms down just so you can see. Remember in school we couldn't wear anything that was shorter than your fingertips? This definitely is shorter than my fingertips, but it's cute. Like I'm saying, I give it a 7 out of 10 just because me in short dresses, but other than that, it's pretty full coverage. Like, it definitely goes over my butt in comfortably. But I know when I start dancing and partying and, you know, have a little drink in me, the butt cheeks might be visible, and I don't like that. So, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. Are you a short dress girl? Or are you like a longer dress type of girl? Let me know in the comments. I want to know. I want to know if it's like just me who literally prefers longer dresses. I don't know. I really want to know. Okay, so we have another fun party dress here, same length as the other one. However, this one feels a bit more secure. I don't know if it's just, I don't know what it is, maybe because it's a Ruched material. I'm gonna show you guys, get a little closer. It's like this cute Ruched material, fits just like everything else has fit. Amazing. It has this one shoulder joint going on. I love it. I do. This is really cute. I don't know what is the difference between this one and the last one, just when it comes to like feeling like it's not going anywhere. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head. But I really do like it. Show you guys the side. Definitely a good party dress. Like, definitely good for cocktail hour, going out to Miami, live on Sundays, you know. Like, I could definitely see this as a cute party dress. It's classy, it's not too much. It's not too much, but absolutely, I don't know, I like this one a little bit better for sure. I give this one an 8 out of 10. I like it. I'm gonna go out and party this weekend. Who wants to come out with me? I'm gonna wear this exact dress. We're gonna go party, we're gonna go to the club. Who's in Atlanta? I wanna go out. I wanna go out. Okay, so last but not least, we have this long sleeve party dress here. Super cute, super, super cute. I don't know what it was about the last one, that Ruched one that I feel like wasn't going anywhere. This is a little bit, I feel like this is definitely gonna be one of them puller downers, or maybe I just need a bigger size. This is a medium, maybe I just need to go with a large, actually. Let me stop saying you have to pull it down. I mean, just get a large and it'll be good. But this can definitely be a go-to with like a long trench. I don't know, I need my black long trench because I have so many outfits that I'm gonna put together with that trench. Like a jacket over this with some cute sunglasses, with some good boots. Like, it's definitely the perfect, simple, go-to like short dress. I like it, I do. So if you're into this cut of dress, this style of dress, it's super stretchy, it's gonna fit you like a glove, you're gonna pop out, it's gonna look really, really good. So this is the last of everything. I'm actually kind of sad. So sadly, that does conclude today's clothing haul. Shout out to Myoutfitonline. Once again, you guys just did not miss, especially when it comes to quality, how things are fitting, the stretchiness, everything is always really, really good. And this print took it up a notch. Like, it was definitely something different. I didn't know what to expect. But when I tried the clothes on, I started seeing how they was looking on my body. I absolutely love this collection. Make sure you guys follow them, check them out, because they're always coming out with new collections. They're always restocking and doing different designs and styles and stuff, especially for the fall. So check them out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, leave a comment. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video, a vlog, try and haul, anything like that. Altogether, I definitely give the collection a 10 out of 10 because it's just so hard to find clothes that just fit. Like that fit my waist, that fit my butt. Everything just fits so good like a glove. You guys know if you watch my vlogs, I always have to go and usually get things taken in. I don't have to get anything taken in from this entire collection. So like that to me is like, they hit the nail on the head with that one. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna stop bragging on them. Y'all see how the stuff was looking on me. So check them out and I will see you guys on my next video.